Hello. So I'm going to teach you today about peppermint oil. I want to show you this beautiful peppermint. So the peppermint oil that I'm talking to you about today is doTERRA peppermint oil. So everything I'm telling you today is just in relation to the doTERRA peppermint. So doTERRA have very, very high, the highest standards in where they source their oils, how it's harvested, how it's distilled, how the essential oil is taken from the plant, how it's tested. So they have very, very high testing. So they're certified pure therapeutic grade, which means that a lot of their essential oils we can actually take internally, and they're used on a therapeutic level. So I'm talking about doTERRA peppermint today. So peppermint is one of my favourite oils. Oh, I wish you could smell through the camera. So it's really strong. It's really, really strong. Its main constituent is menthol. So a lot of peppermint oils out on the market, they're synthetic, they're man-made, and they won't contain that property of menthol. So when we're talking about essential oils, it's actually the properties within the essential oil that are working with our body, our mind, our emotional state. Okay, so doTERRA's peppermint oil is mainly sourced from America, Northwest America. It's also sourced from Asia and Australia. And they harvest the peppermint when the peppermint plant is just coming into flower, because that is when the menthol constituent is at its highest. So this is when they harvest it. It's steam distilled, and the distillation process has to be at the perfect temperatures, so not to burn or destroy the menthol. So doTERRA have this off to a T. And this is why their why their peppermint oil and all their oils are of such high grade. So peppermint oil. I'm going to be reading to you from this amazing book so that I make sure I give you all the details that we need to. So peppermint oil is it can be used for headaches, migraines. You can do that by doing the peppermint experience, which I'll quickly show you. So you wash your hands first and then basically touch your finger on the top of the oil. You're only getting a tiny bit, and then you place that on the roof of the mouth. Take it off. Inhale, move that around, rub your fingers together. Have an inhale and wipe that round the back of the neck. And you'll find that as you do that, the menthol goes up, opens all your airways, clears your head. So it's amazing, like I said, for headaches, migraines, focus, energy, kind of refocusing you. If you're needing a natural energy boost, this is amazing. Okay, so if you have that slump at the end of the day, or you work night shifts, or you're on that project that needs doing, peppermint all the way. So energy, focus, it boosts your mood amazingly. It literally within 10 seconds can change the mood that you're in. It's really good for respiratory health. It's really good for fevers and hot flushes. So it's a really good thing if your child's got a little bit of temperature coming. It's really nice to mix with some with some coconut oil. So drop in the hand, drop of peppermint and some coconut oil, and just work it down their spine, and it will just naturally just start to take their temperature down. Obviously, if it keeps rising, you need to do more, but It's a really good starting point, natural starting point. It's really good for an upset stomach or craving, so you can just massage it onto the stomach but diluted. It's really good for allergies and kind of like seasonal kind of allergies at the moment. It's really good for that. Applied topically, you can make it into a roller. Added with lemon is amazing. You can apply it to the soles of the feet, up the spine, and you use this on a daily basis to keep the seasonal disorders kind of at bay. It's very invigorating. Let's have a look. It really helps to open up the airways. So I know I said it's really good for respiratory health, but it does open up those airways, especially when you do the peppermint experience. If you don't want to do the peppermint experience, literally just smell it straight from the bottle or pop a drop in the palm of your hands and inhale. It really opens up those airways, opens up the mind. It's amazing. Digestive, loss of smell, invigorating. It's very, very cooling, so it's good for hot flushes, everything like that. You can make it into a spray. It's really lovely if you get swollen ankles. You can put a drop in like a cold foot bath and just soothe the feet down because it's anti-inflammatory, so it'll take down that swelling. I also want to explain how we can use it. So there's different ways. So we talked about topically, so you can use it in a roller. You can create the roller and use it topically. So if you have hot flushes and things, you can just roll it around the back of the neck, on the pulse points, and it can just cool you down. You can also use that for the focus as well if you want, or the energy. Emotionally, it's invigorating. So you can use it topically, but always dilute. If you don't dilute it with something, it has the opposite effect. Because it's a cooling oil, if you use too much of it, it can get very, very hot. So don't get it when you're doing your peppermint experience, don't get it on your lips because it will feel hot. You can inhale it, so like we were saying, drop in the palm of the hand, or you can use it in your diffuser. Diffusers are amazing because it's going into the air. It's really good at cleaning the air. This time of year at the moment, we're in summer. It's amazing with lemon. It's beautiful with lemon. I use it a lot with On Guard, which is a blend that doTERRA have put together. It's a protective blend and cleans the air, so it just freshens it up. I use it a lot with my green cleaning, so non-toxic cleaning. I use it to make my toilet bombs and my dishwasher tablets and things like that. I love the smell of peppermint. I use it in my sprays to clean my bathroom. It's beautiful, so it's so invigorating when you're cleaning. It's amazing. So be careful on your skin. The Peppermint Essential Oil is also found in other blends that doTERRA use because of its amazing menthol properties. So it's amazing in that way as well. And I want to very quickly read to you from this Emotions and Essential Oils. So peppermint is the oil of a buoyant heart. Peppermint brings joy and buoyancy to the heart and soul. It invigorates mind, body and spirit and reminds individuals that they can be happy and that they don't have to be in control. And you don't have to be controlled by fear either. When individuals use peppermint, they feel as though they're gliding through life. It assists in staying on the surface of emotional issues, like floating on the top of water. It helps you to rediscover the joy of being alive. Peppermint can assist individuals in regaining the strength needed to face their emotional reality. So the positive properties within this emotional side of the essential oil is it's buoyant, so it lifts you up. It's optimistic, and it has gives you the strength to face emotional pain. It's the most amazing essential oil. If you would like a sample to try, I am more than happy to send it to you. It's an oil that I use most days. I forgot to say as well, you can use it internally, so the other way, so which was the peppermint experience, but it's also amazing in your water. It's so refreshing, uplifting, it's beautiful. If you would like me to send you a little sample, I am more than happy to send it to you so that you can experience this. It's so amazing. So either drop me a comment below or an email in the box below if you're on my website. I'll put my phone number below as well so that you can get in contact. We also have so much juicy information in our Freedom School Facebook group. We're always sharing about essential oils, challenges, self-growth. So if you want to join that, either find the link below or send me a message and I can invite you. Okay, sending lots of love. I hope that has inspired you and taught you a little bit about peppermint oil. Until the next education, I'll see you soon. Bye.